Thank you.
Okay,
Jenny.
let's take a peek into the crypto market with Laddie there. Well, Laddie, Bitcoin is not doing good at all, but don't tell me it's because Trump called it a scam against the dollar. Now, look, in his words, he said, Bitcoin just seems like a scam.
Yeah.
I don't like it because it's another currency competing against the dollar. And he says he wanted the dollar to be the currency of the world. How?
Well, that's Trump for you. Nobody's actually surprised because Trump, has never been a fan of Bitcoin or anything that wants to threaten the dollar.
Absolutely.
So that was actually expected.
In fact, central bankers, I think that is the scare here.
Oh, yes.
I mean, this cryptocurrency, digital currency, threatening the fiat money.
Central banks are rattled all over the world right now. But El Salvador doesn't seem to care. They're actually
they are making it a legal tender.
Yeah, it's quite interesting times, for crypto market. But that's the effect right there. It's all red. Bitcoin trading at $33,000, down about 8% this morning. Market cap is also inching down, has fallen way below the $2 trillion mark we used to have before. $1.49 trillion now, down about 10% this morning. Bitcoin dominance is inching up slowly at up 0.25%. Price of Bitcoin this morning down 9%, 24-hour volume $39.91 billion. So Bitcoin is still, trading around that 200-day moving average, but it has broken multiple supports at 34,000 and 33,000. So we could see a 30,000 Bitcoin soon if these supports keep breaking. But also we could see an uptrend from the 32 range. Some indicators are actually showing that as a possibility. It is oversold. The RSI is completely oversold, down below the 40 region. The MACD also below the bullish region this morning. Price of Ethereum, $2,480, down 10%. Anytime Bitcoin swings either up or down, the altcoins actually suffer. The king of altcoins is actually down too at this point. Top alts by market cap, BNB, down a big 13% this morning at $334. Cardano, $1.50, down 12.23%. Dogecoin, as Elon Musk's baby is at 32 cents. Down 13%. No alt is spared except maybe T-Fuel this morning. Yeah, T-Fuel, 50 cents. Still maintaining that range, up by 8%. Anyway, let's talk to Olumide Adesina now, financial market analyst. Hello, Olumide.
Yeah, hello, Ladi.
Good morning. Good morning. Well, happy red day. Bitcoin is not looking strong at all. And, we have Trump, calling it a scam. We have miners also, heavy selling with miners. Looks like we still have a lot of downside.
Yeah, exactly like what you said earlier. You see, those macros have already weighed on investor sentiment. And don't forget that in the past couple of days, institutional investors have increased their selling pressure. Data from CoinShares revealed that in the past 3 weeks, about $300 million have been moved from Bitcoin alone, the Bitcoin market. And that also triggered some breaks in the support level. And right now, Bitcoin is trading around 32,000. That's really going to add some more selling pressure. So we are seeing that once Bitcoin breaks below 30, then the bearish market is confirmed. But I think, like you said earlier, Donald Trump's recent statement about Bitcoin being a scam and the fact that Bitcoin is playing the role of the dollar also added more selling pressure. So we are expecting to see the framework of the digital dollar coming out in some days' time, and also we want to see the reaction at which the Chinese, because there are mixed signals already. Chinese are saying that most of the miners operating in the country is illegal, but that remains to be seen if that would temper selling pressure. But right now, it's not looking good for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is like the founder crypto, so it's already affecting other altcoins.
Well, it's so funny how the narrative changed for Bitcoin so fast. A few months ago, it was all about greed, all about Bitcoin going up. Anyway, Olamide, how are fan tokens holding up?
Yeah, fund tokens too are the same kind of being affected. They're already part of the crypto market already, but I think the fundamentals around fund tokens seem to help them independently, because if you look at the fact that certain Formula One teams are already going into this industry and rewarding their fans with giveaways and other voting rights, that has increased buying pressure across. But then the fact that the football season is over, we are seeing a bit weakening sentiment, but in a couple of weeks' time, we expect that will resume. And don't forget that Argentina recently launched, the football team launched a fan token, so that will also increase that in the ecosystem. So I think that
we'll continue the conversation.
Crypto assets will stand the test of time.
Okay, Olumide, thank you so much. Always great to have you. Do enjoy the rest of your day.
Thanks.
All right, Jimmy, there you have it. Only the stable coins in the green right now. It's not looking so good.
You know, I was listening to one analyst on Bloomberg, and he was very optimistic that Bitcoin would bounce back. Exactly. But he's saying, I mean, if you must invest, if you're a risk taker, that's the time. This is the time to go into, the market, but not with your rent money.
Exactly.
Of course. So if you must invest, you have to be wise, and you have to get appropriate financial advice from professionals.